Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch Fit 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Huawei Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the Huawei Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once the application opens, you should see the Health page. Now tap on the devices icon to open the devices page, and on this page you should see your Huawei Watch Fit 3 on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Now scroll down and find the option called Notifications. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we can turn on the notifications by tapping on the switch. And if you're missing required permissions for the notifications to work, you will see some pop-ups about the permissions. Then you will need to allow them basically for the notifications to work. And if you see this page, tap on the screen. It will redirect you to the device and app notifications. Here you need to find the Huawei Health application on the list and tap on it. And then you will need to enable the notification access. So tap on the switch next to allow notification access, tap on allow. Then you can tap on back button to go back to the app and the notifications will be turned on. And here we can customize the settings. We can enable and disable the option to mute notifications when you're using your phone. So basically if the screen on your phone is enabled, so if you're using your phone basically, the notifications on your watch will be muted. So you won't be receiving the notifications on your watch if the screen is turned on your phone, if this option is enabled. If you disable it, you will receive them even though the screen is on your phone. And then you have the list of applications, and you can turn on and turn off the notifications for specific apps. And how it works is basically if you enable, let's say, notifications for Discord, and you receive the notifications from Discord on your phone, and those notifications will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, they won't be forwarded to your watch. You will see them only on your phone. That's how it works. So turn on the notifications for the apps you want to see on your watch, and once you're done, you can close the application rather, and it should be working. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and since I turned on the Discord in the app, in the notification settings for the apps, and let's see if it's working. It should. And we got the notification on our phone. Let's check if we got it on our watch, and we did, as you can see. So it is working, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.